Vertical lift aircraft execute a mass takeoff, showcasing the pivotal role of these unique machines in rapid deployment scenarios.
Landing and maneuvering tiltrotors on a ship deck requires exceptional precision from both pilot and ground crew.
As you can see, the aircraft seamlessly transitions from vertical takeoff to forward flight, rotating its nacelles for open sea operation. Maduro attains its outer range. As the aircraft gains altitude, the engine nacelles begin their airborne transformation, rotating smoothly. The massive tiltrotor waits as ground crew coordinate the boarding. The disciplined flow of personnel across the flight deck highlight the constant state of readiness. Whether at sea or on land, these aircraft enable the rapid insertion and extraction of personnel for various mission requirements.
The deck crew remains focused, guiding the aircraft safely as it transitions back to a rotary wing landing approach.
Ground personnel are essential for managing the integration of these vertical lift aircraft into the existing infrastructure.
Operations persist across all hours, with aircraft demonstrating their essential role in maritime transport and readiness.
Aircraft conversion to horizontal flight is to smooth the mechanical complexity of tiltrotor system.
Inside the cabin, the tension is palpable yet disciplined. On the tarmac, the pace accelerates.
The tiltrotor capability allows the aircraft to quickly convert from ground-ready to airborne in moments, ensuring operational speed.
The coordinated effort required for precise deck landings, a testament to the discipline.
Large-scale movements necessitate coordinated taxiing and takeoff procedures, demonstrating significant airlift capacity.
The sheer power of the Osprey is evident during ground maneuvers. As they lift off, the coordinated group generates enough rotor wash.
Ground teams rapidly move to their designated positions as aircraft deploy or recover personnel in the exercise area.
The troop transport phase demands high levels of discipline and attentiveness, ensuring all teams are ready for the task ahead. As you can see by the airlift wing sign, this facility supports a wide variety of aircraft, notably the P-3 Orion and the impressive
Vertical lift aircraft maintain operational capability across varied environments and challenging weather conditions.
The immediate transition of troops after an air-to-ground landing is critical. Here we see the flight crew directing the massive aircraft with precision. Precision control and clear signals are paramount during takeoff from a dynamic maritime platform. The transition from flight operations to ground logistics is seamless. The V-22 provides the lift.
The flight crew continuously monitors the aircraft, providing clear ground control instructions prior to engine start and movement.
Flight directors orchestrate the complex movements on the flight deck, ensuring the safe and timely deployment of air and ground assets.
The constant activity around these sophisticated aircraft highlights the massive maintenance and support effort required to keep them operational at sea.
Following final checks, the aircraft rapidly departs the deck, ready for its mission over the open waters.
The ground crew's disciplined work in logistics and maintenance is crucial for keeping these sophisticated machines operational.
This elevated perspective reveals the true scope of the operation, a bustling hub where air power meets naval precision.
The deployment involves seamless transition from sea-based platforms to challenging desert environments for ground team operations.
Despite the harsh conditions and heavy packs, the determination of the soldiers is evident as they approach the waiting aircraft.
Ground teams move quickly to meet their transport, integrating air and land assets for efficient movement across the operational area.
Inside the hangar bay, the embarked force stands ready. These Marines are the spearhead, highly trained, and the deployment begins here in the hangar bay. These fully equipped Marines are moving efficiently as the V-22 prepares for launch on the deck above.
Aircraft deployment and troop disembarkation are practiced to ensure rapid mission initiation in diverse landing zones.
The V-22's powerful downwash kicks up a massive cloud of debris during takeoff. The rook aircraft.
Multiple vertical lift assets can be staged and deployed simultaneously from the naval platform, expanding the mission reach. The careful coexistence of the V-22s and support elements, including this drone, is essential for operations on the flight deck.
The tight coordination required out here is absolutely crucial. From this perspective, you really see the efficiency of the ground crew guiding the troops aboard.
Clear communication between the deck crew and the flight team ensures precise execution during vertical mode liftoff.
Maintaining air operations requires continuous logistical support, shifting focus now from the flight crews to the vital cargo sustaining the fleet.
Personnel quickly move across the deck after landing, maintaining disciplined routines during the intense operational tempo.
The crew maintains a watchful eye on the fleet below, but the transition to land presents a different challenge: the blinding dust of a brownout landing.
Field landings are often obscured by brownout conditions, demanding highly technical piloting skills to complete the mission safely.
The aircraft rapidly converts to fixed wing mode immediately following takeoff, demonstrating its versatility before making the approach to the ship deck. The V-22 Osprey provides crucial vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, essential for rapid deployment from the carrier to the field.
Alongside the Tiltrotor operations, attack helicopters demonstrate their capability to integrate with and operate from naval assets.
From the pilot's perspective, the approach to the naval vessel requires intense focus. Below, the
precision flight control is essential, particularly when launching heavy attack helicopters from the limited confines of a ship deck.
Logistical support is paramount. The ground crews meticulously arm the helicopters, ensuring readiness for deployment at sea.
Ground crews work swiftly to arm and prepare the aircraft, ensuring their readiness for missions over expansive, austere environments.
Maintaining readiness requires a constant vigilance. The flight deck crew, distinguished by their colored jerseys, work in a highly synchronized and disciplined manner.
The constant maintenance and armament cycle is crucial for sustaining helicopter operations at sea. The ground
pilots maintain situational awareness, communicating critical updates during the high-demand air-to-sea operational cycle.
Inside the cockpit, the pilot's control is paramount. With the target acquired, the live fire exercise begins. Following a mission, the clock resets. Ground crews move quickly to rearm the hostile helicopters.
The tempo remains high, demanding intense focus from the pilots as they transition between mission support and recovery.
A pilot's discipline is paramount. High above the waves, she relies on the Aegis system of the guided missile destroyer patrolling below. These integrated air assets provide comprehensive support, ensuring operational readiness across air, land, and sea domains.